Go.
All right, we are working on day 4, still in storybooks. What's our story today, Miss Rachel?
The Three Billy Goats Gruff.
It's a good book. Try to read the book before you do your project.
Yes.
All right, empty everything out. Yikes, we got a lot of stuff. All right, let's simplify. Paper. Large sticks. Okay. Clothespins. Little popsicle sticks. Cubes. Look at that. 3 billy goats.
There they are.
There they are. All right. So, 3 billy goats gruff. What we're going to do is we're going to try to make a bridge for our 3 billy goats. First thing you're going to do is put the green paper in front of you. And you're going to grab our little river stream. And we're going to put it right in the middle. Okay? Once you have it in the middle, flip it over. Give it some glue. And then put it down. Okay? And then let's go ahead and decorate. Actually, let's put our cubes, our goats on our cubes first. I think that's gonna leave us 1 cube left. And we can put a rock on it or one of the ferns. Okay, when you're putting your billy goats on, make sure you put them up high enough so that they stand. If you put them down too low, they won't stand very well. See, it's a little lopsided. So make sure the legs are even with the bottom. All right, we have our 3 little goats. All right, then you can pick, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put, I'm gonna put this rock on a cube. More just decoration. Okay, you can kind of set that off to the side. And then you can put on the rest. Just glue them onto your paper. Just a little bit of scenery. Nothing too crazy. Trying to figure out how I want to do this.
Oh, there you go. That's cool.
Okay. All right. Now that I have that on, now comes the fun part. Put your glue away. You don't need it anymore. All right. Let's move our goats over while they watch us construct our bridge. This is for you to play with to make a bridge. Any way you want to make your bridge, you do it, okay? So even if you want to just lay them across, well, let's do it this way.
Yep.
Because we don't want to, we want them to be able to cross the river, not be in the river or the stream. Okay, it's a little bridge.
It works.
It works.
Yeah, you might see that in the woods on a trail. You can see bridges like that.
Okay.
Simple,
It's fine.
low, functional.
That's right. Perfectly fine. No problem. Okay, I like it. But can you make it taller? Can you make it bigger? Maybe.
But more challenging. Let's see.
Oh, I forgot I have these too.
Oh, yeah, the big
Let's see.
popsicle sticks, too.
Yeah, I got these. Whoa. Will that work? It's kind of skinnier. Okay.
Okay. Also works. They can get across.
Not bad, not bad. What if we don't use these? What if, let's see, 2, 3, 4. What if I used just popsicle sticks? Will that be high enough? I don't know. Let's see. get one more. Oh. I don't know if my bridge is going to be very sturdy. Is my bridge going to be very sturdy?
We'll see. It's going to be close.
I mean,
Okay,
it works.
Yep, that's fine too.
But if the ground shakes at all, I mean, we might be in trouble.
Yeah,
We
we
might
don't
be in
want
trouble.
that.
All right, let's see if we can make a bigger bridge. All right. Let's see if I can make a base. Maybe. All right. Let's make sure those are even. I don't know, Miss Rachel. All right. Okay. Here goes. Is it gonna work? It's a pretty good bridge.
All right. So far, so good. You have to do a flying leap to get onto it. But it will. Oh, there you go. A little ramp. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Ooh. Ooh.
Look. Miss Rachel's going to make me break my bridge. All right.
I do what I can.
Miss Rachel.
I'm sorry.
No, but you're right. It does need. And goats can actually walk up super steep.
Oh, see? But that's going to happen.
Yeah.
It's going to happen when you're building these kind of tougher models of these bridges. It's okay.
Look,
try again. No
look,
big deal.
Miss Rachel, I'm not putting a ramp. Although, did you know that the goats can literally walk almost straight up?
Yes, they are crazy. Goats are super cool.
So I don't need a ramp.
They just jump. They're
They can
good.
just jump.
I got it. They don't need a ramp.
I'm always intrigued to watch them on the side of a mountain.
Oh, yeah. It's like it doesn't even bother
There's
them.
like nothing that they're standing on. And
Yeah.
they're standing. It's weird.
Ooh. Oh boy. Okay. Is it going to stay?
Okay.
This is going to be close. Let's see. Ta-da!
I know. Here. Let me help you. Don't breathe. There's your ramp. I'm not touching it.
Yeah, no,
I'm not touching
it's
it.
perfect.
I'm good.
Yep.
I'm good. All right. So, see how many different ways you can make a bridge. I'd love to see them. Take some pictures. I'd love to see it. All right, you guys. That is all I have for you today. Make sure when you're done, put everything back in your bag so you can build your bridge another day. Bye, guys.